Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming and watching. Wow. Oh my god. It's so loud. It smells bad. Bad. Oh, you playing Kevin, huh? A little bit, apparently. That's nice. Oh my god. Oh, it's over. Look at the smoke though. And there's the carnival. And we're going there. And I'm like, oh wow. Now they're playing music. They're playing music now. Beautiful music. It's at the carnival, which he might go and I will go. Right, Kevin? I'm going to. You're going, you know, why don't you want to go with Mauricio? Beautiful music. Oh, look, you can see the flag over there. Let me zoom into that beautiful flag. Ooh. Carnival, am I right? What are you watching, Mom? What are you watching? Are you watching?
I might need an extra pallbearer.
Get
away from me, you morbid weirdo!
You know what?
This is for you, Agnes.
Hold up. Note enter.
Oh, Kristen!
What?
If you come here, what's your plan on Wednesday?
Nobody enter. Okay.
You can put me your mom.
Look at that. That's beautiful, man. Oh my god. Do not enter sign to go with my plushie collection. You guys cannot see that? Hold on. Okay. Okay. There's my plushie collection. Plush collection. Actually, no, I'm gonna hang this on my door. Hold on. This might take a while. Get out of here. Are they still playing it? There's the carnival. There's the Ferris wheel. Oh no, that's a super slide. Never mind. Bye, Pebbles.